This is tunnel vision. From planet to planet, solar system to solar system, from galaxy to galaxy.
Welcome back to the Mortgage Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie Lending Team. We get our weekly jobless claims report. Not much improvement here. Initial jobless claims are those folks applying for unemployment for the very first time. Just a minor improvement, only just down a little bit from the week before. The pandemic unemployment assistance, that's for gig workers, and emergency claims, just extending out some of those other employment claims as well. Both of those are up a total of about 700,000, and total folks receiving benefits at about 700,000 altogether, up from last week. So not much of an improvement at all. Again, looks like we're going to have to wait till September to really get any major movement in these reports. But a little bit more inflation talk, it was a big topic from yesterday. Still, it's spilling over in today's media here. Looks like it's even cheaper now to build homes with steel than it is lumber. That's how much lumber has increased in price. Appliances are going up in price as well. I got a lot of wage inflation as well. Companies like McDonald's, Chipotle, and Amazon all increasing their wages that they're offering to new employees. And the way that this sort of starts to leak into the rest of their books is that they have to increase the wages of all the employees that are already pre-existing employees with them as well, because what are they going to do? They have these folks in there making, $13, $14 an hour, and they're gonna pay the new folks $16, $17 an hour. They have to raise the wages of them too, because what are they going to do? Just let them stand next to these other folks? They always talk about how much they're getting paid. They communicate with each other. Now, no matter how much they tell them not to. So they want them all to feel like they're on the same pay scale, or else they'll vacate and go next door to somebody else that's paying a little bit more. Have you been wondering if now is the right time to start a new podcast, video series, some sort of a show online? Gotta be right now. If not now, when are you gonna do it, right? But maybe you don't want to do it by yourself because it's boring and lonely talking into an empty camera. Trust me, it's not all that bad. I do it every day. You get used to it after a while. But maybe you want a friendly face like mine in the video with you. And if you'd like me to join you on your next or newest podcast or video series, all you have to do is give me a call, text me. We could talk about some content, some topics we can talk about. It's really not that hard. Remember, 33% of the market is first-time home buyers. It's a ton of opportunity for us to just give them ideas about and give them instruction as of what it's like to buy a new home, what the process is like. They all have questions because they've never done it before. Easy content. We can do it. Remember, fastest 0 to 60 to time to get your buyer to an approval is the online application. I promise it is not your enemy. This is our friend, especially in a marketplace that has all this desperation and this urgency to be the first in line to submit your offer. You can give them a list of the documentation. We can have this conversation with them over the phone. Obviously, we're going to get to that part where we're going to have this full consultation. They're going to have that consultation with us, whether they do the application over the phone with us initially or they do it online. No matter what, we have to have a conversation with them, multiple sometimes, to get them all the way to the place where we find out if they do or do not qualify. All these videos are backed up on YouTube. All you got to do is type in my name. Check us out on Instagram. Have a great weekend.